Hello friends, I hope you are looking for the best charcoal grill. So you have clicked this video. In this video we will discuss charcoal grill which are best sold and achieve top-rated reviews from customers. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product, please check the description box in the below. So let's get started with the video. Number 1. Weber Original Kettle Premium Charcoal Grill. This classic-looking grill has a 22-inch hinged grate that cooks up for steaks or more than a dozen burgers at once. The Weber Original Kettle Grill has an easy-to-use setup, including a built-in thermometer in the lid and damper for superior heat control. It also features an aluminum one-touch cleaning system which helps you quickly and effortlessly remove leftover bits of charcoal and ash. The porcelain enameled lid and bowl of the grill retain almost 100% of the heat created by the charcoal. It is also resistant to rusting and peeling as well. In addition, the grill features a lid hook that lets you hang the lid rather than sitting it on the ground or on nearby surfaces. When you need to add more charcoal, it is easy to do by simply lifting up on one side of the hinged grate. This can even be done while in the middle of cooking. What's more, the grill includes 3D interactive instructions for assembly via the BLT app. Pros: 363 square inch cooking surface. Built-in lid thermometer. Fits 13 burgers. Cons: smaller grilling surface than gas models. Number 2. Chargriller Acorn Kamado Charcoal Grill. Kamado-style grills originated in Asia more than 3,000 years ago, and these oval-shaped cooking vessels have become increasingly popular in the US thanks to their superior versatility. Kamado grills, like the Chargriller Acorn Kamado Charcoal Grill, are used for smoking and baking. They heat up quickly and impart more flavor to food. This particular kamado grill has triple-walled steel construction and features 314 square inches of cast-iron grill space, as well as a removable warming rack. It includes a built-in thermometer and can be used to cook at temperatures ranging from 200 to 700 degrees. The grill has 2 convenient folding side shelves and utensil hooks. Our home tester used this to cook up barbecue classics like chicken wings and ribs, and she was highly pleased with its performance. Once she learned how to get the grill to the right temperature, the temperature inside the grill remained constant no matter what was happening outside. It is important to get the initial temperature right since this takes a while to cool down. Other aspects she liked were that the grates became more non-stick as the testing went on and the warming rack proved itself to be the perfect bun warmer. Pros: great heat retention. Budget-friendly compared to competitors. Easy to clean. Cons: hard to cool down. Number 3. PK Grill's Charcoal Barbecue Grill and Smoker Combo. Grilling cooks food quickly using high heat, while smoking uses indirect heat and lower temperatures to cook food slowly. If you like to switch up your cooking style once in a while, you'll love the original PK Grill and AMP Smoker. This model delivers the best of both worlds, and it's perfect for both casual grillers and professional chefs. This grill is made from cast aluminum for superior heat conduction, and its unique shape and 4-point venting system make it ideal for both grilling and smoking foods. It has over 305 square inches of cooking surface, that's big enough for a whole turkey, and 2 work shelves where you can prepare food. Plus, it's lightweight and easy to set up if you need a portable option for outdoor parties or tailgating. After a few weeks of cooking on it, our home tester said the grill blew them away. The coals get hot quickly with the tight sealing lid keeping the heat inside, and the built-in vents were simple to adjust during cooking. The oval shape of the grill made it easy to cook multiple types of food, from skewers to roasted corn. After she was done testing, cleanup was a breeze, whether using a grill brush or removing the grate to clean in the kitchen sink. A couple of downsides discovered during testing were that the lid can detach while cooking and the lack of a built-in thermometer means you'll need to have your own. Pros: easy setup. Excellent heat retention and control. Portable for tailgating. Cons: no built-in thermometer. Number 4. Masterbuilt Gravity Digital Charcoal Grill. If you want the delicious taste of charcoal grilled food along with the high-tech features usually reserved for gas grills, the Masterbuilt Gravity Series 560 Digital Charcoal Grill Plus Smoker is quite the innovation. This charcoal grill has Wi-Fi capabilities, allowing you to control its temperature and cook time right from your phone, or the grill's digital control panel, and it even has a fan inside that regulates the grill's temperature, helping it reach up to 700 degrees in as little as 13 minutes. This high-tech model offers 560 square inches of cooking space, and its reversible cast iron grates can be used for both smoking and searing. Plus, there's a gravity-fed charcoal hopper on the side of the unit, and it can hold up to 10 pounds of lumped charcoal or 16 pounds of briquettes, allowing you to cook all day without ever adding more fuel. Pros: digital controls, precise temperature regulation, gravity-fed fuel hopper. Cons: expensive for a charcoal grill. Number 5. Weber Performer Deluxe Charcoal Grill. If you haven't noticed by now, Weber is one of the top charcoal grill brands today, and it also makes the splurge-worthy Performer Deluxe 22-inch charcoal grill. This model has a wide variety of useful features that any grill master would love, including things like a touch-and-go gas ignition system and work table for food prep. This charcoal grill can hold up to 13 burgers at a time, and you can monitor the internal temperature using the built-in lid thermometer. This Performer Deluxe grill has an electronic charcoal ignition system and a removable timer that mounts to the side work table. Additionally, there's a convenient charcoal storage bin integrated into the design, as well as the brand's one-touch cleaning system. Reviewers say the quality of this product is great and that the grill will undoubtedly serve you well for years to come. Pros: built to last. Large side area to prep and store food. Has an easy gas ignition system. Cons: may be expensive. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share, and comment on this video. Don't forget to press the notification bell icon to get new update videos. Also check the description box to check the product's link.